Hello, and welcome to the MathLinks Course 2nd Edition Grades 6 through 8 Getting Started video series. In this session, you'll learn about an activity routine called poster problems. You'll find a poster problem in every unit because we've heard from plenty of teachers and students about how much they love it. It's always in the review section of the student packet. Small groups of students move from poster to poster, practicing multi-step problems to review important concepts from the unit. You'll see students working, hear them talking, and critiquing each other's work. So it's great for formative assessment as well. To set up, you'll need space around the room for groups to do their work. What's usually used is poster paper, butcher paper, whiteboard space, or even taped together smaller pieces of paper. Sometimes you'll need grid paper too. Each group gets a different colored marker, just one per group. And the problem set is either right on the poster or students carry it around with them. In part 1, students identify as group member A, B, C, or D, since there are 4 distinct problems. There are also places for students to record their start poster and their marker color. After that is the problem set and all of the directions they need to do their work. We think there should be one poster for every 3 or 4 students. You can have more or fewer if necessary, but 3 to 4 seems right from our experiences. It's best to have 4, 8, or 12 posters depending upon the number of students in the class. So repeat the 4 given problems as needed. When the posters are in place and the students are ready to go, they can move to their assigned start posters. The A students have the group pen, but remember that all students are talking, thinking, and contributing at every poster. They complete part A, make sure they do part 8 only. We've seen many students simply continue on, especially during the first time doing a poster problem. And then the teacher gives them the signal to shift to the next poster. When they're settled in, student B now has the pen. Direct groups to read the new, similar problem, review the work done by the previous group, and make any corrections or additions to the work as needed. Then they continue with part B. Let me stress again that all students are contributing, but only B students are writing. Then it's time to shift again when given the signal. Now they're at the third stop and continue in the exact manner as with the previous poster. Student C now has the pen. Together they read and review the work and make any corrections or additions to the work as needed. They do the C part together and shift when given the signal. Now they should be at their final stop. Student D has the pen. Notice that for one group pictured, student A is also student D. They read and review work again and make corrections or additions to the work as needed. Then they do the next part, and now they're done. At this point, students may stay at their finish poster or go back to their start poster to do one last review or revision. As the process plays out, teachers are doing their best to listen and observe. So now's a good time to have some whole class discussion and debrief based upon questions students may still have or observations that the teacher has made. Don't expect every poster to be perfect every time. This review activity is a formative assessment, and so some reteaching may still have to happen. To conclude the poster problem, students return to their seats to complete follow-up problems. Remember that this is an activity routine. To find examples that help students learn the process, go to General Resources on the Teacher Portal. To learn more about the program, please check out other Getting Started videos. The ones you see here are especially relevant to the information provided in this session. We hope you're now more confident to try a poster problem with your students. Thank you for taking time to learn more about MathLinks.